On March 24th, 2018, Shaun Callaway and I being Andy Buss, aka Hunter of Fish, set out to catch some bass in southern Michigan. And admittedly, in early March, it's early in the season, the water's cold, it's a winter pattern. And to tell you the truth, the wind was blowing like crazy. We had 30-mile-per-hour plus gusts coming out of the east, and we drove around the lake trying to find different spots to fish, but these are the conditions we were faced. The wind was our nemesis all day. It was cold. It didn't get above freezing until nearly noon, and we had launched the boat about 8:15, and we dealt with freezing guides, freezing reels, ice and snow cones on the reels and the rods, and just bitter cold conditions. The wind never stopped.
Snow cone. There it goes. Making a snow cone. Means it's a little chilly out here.
This would end up being the only fish we caught on the main lake.
That is the first fish of 2018, though. A little snap rocket.
So after getting beat up out on the main lake, we adjusted. And we adjusted by going to some channels that are also popular ice fishing destinations. Water temperature was 42 degrees in the main lake and about 44 degrees in these channels. And we found fish still relating to those channels or still in those ice fishing areas. Caught a couple on jerkbaits, caught a couple on blade baits, but ultimately the real deal was with jigs. And Shaun put on a bit of a display, a bit of a show for me with these jigs.
There you go. A jig. Jig fish. Barely hooked him. There, Bob. Decent first day. Hold that fish up to the camera. That is the best fish of the day, Shaun. Grab. Hold that pig up. Whew. He ate it good too. Get out. Nice little foot there, man. Chill out so you look bigger, buddy.
But I was not to be outdone.
And this is why they call me the professor. Right here. Because it takes a real genius to catch fish of this size. Not everybody can do this.
At least that's what I thought. But Shaun had to steal the show at the end. Just watch. Holy moly.
Did you see that? Did you see this guy?
Thank you for watching. Geezer Bassin is going to be set up by a couple of old geezers. As you can see, myself and others. I'm Andy Buss, aka the Hunter of Fish. You can check out my other YouTube channel. It's simply Andrew Buss, called Andy Buss Fishing. Because you stuck through this video, and this is the first of many on the water videos coming, I got a little promotional code for you to save a few bucks. You are familiar with McCain rods, spectacular rods, really spectacular. Come out of the state of Texas. I'm going to give you a promotional code at the end of this video here, and that promotional code will save you, get this, 50% off their rods. 50%! Just type in the promotional code that'll pop up here at the end of this video. We'll be posting regularly, Geezers Bassin. Please subscribe to our channel. We are just beginning. And we would love to hear from you. If you have any ideas on what you'd like to see these old geezers do, whether it's a fishing tactic, a style of fishing, seasons, or destinations in our area, by all means, please, we'd love to read your ideas in the comments. Don't be shy. Let the old geezers know what you'd like to see.